Ready to launch your own crypto token into the Solana universe? First, you'll need to set up your Solana development environment. Make sure you have the Solana CLI installed and configured correctly. This is how you will talk to the Solana blockchain. The SPL Token Program is the backbone for creating tokens on Solana. Open your terminal and use the SPL Token Create Token command to initiate your token's birth. This command creates the token on the Solana blockchain. Next, define the total supply of your token. Use the decimals flag to specify the divisibility of your token. This determines how many decimal places your token will have. Create token accounts for users who will hold your token. Use the SPL Token Create Account command so they can interact with your new cryptocurrency. To distribute the initial supply, use the SPL Token Mint command to send tokens to these accounts. You can set up a mint authority to control the creation of new tokens and can even implement freezing functionality to control accounts in your ecosystem. Congratulations, you've just created your own SPL token on Solana. With your token born, it is time to take it live and make it available for trading. Now get out there and make something amazing.